Are you getting the error code CE-11338-9 on PS5 while updating the system software? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Error code CE-11338-9 signifies a problem during the system software update process. So when you get such an error, ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. Method 2. Try updating via USB. The next thing you can try is update via USB. On a PC or Mac, create a folder named PS5 on a USB drive that has been formatted as FAT32 or exFAT. Inside this folder, create another folder and name it as Update. Now download the update file from here and save it in the update folder. Name it as ps5update.pup. Make sure there is 1,1 GB of free space. Now plug the USB device with the update file into your PS5 console. Now you need to start your PS5 in safe mode. To do that, press and hold the power button, releasing it after the second beep. Select Update System Software, then Update from USB storage device, and then select OK. If your PS5 console doesn't recognize the update file, ensure that the folder names and file name are correct. Use uppercase letters for the folder names and file name. Method 3. Restart network equipment. If an issue occurs during the update process, restart your network equipment, that is your modem or router. To do this, unplug the modem or router for a few minutes, then plug in the device. Once the device restarts, try to update and check. Method 4. Restart the console. You can also restart the PS5 console, then try updating again. To restart the PS5 console, press the PlayStation button on your controller to open the Control Center menu. Navigate to the power icon and select it. Choose the Restart PS5 or similar option. Confirm your selection if prompted, and your PS5 will shut down and restart automatically. Method 5. Check for hardware issues. Ensure all cables connecting your PS5 to your TV and router are properly plugged in and secured. Any loose connection can cause connectivity issues that can prevent the updating process. Check for any visible damage or wear on the cables. Replace if necessary. Method 6. Contact support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can contact PlayStation support for further assistance. And there you have it. The methods to fix the error code CE-11338-9 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.